What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog here. So for today's video, we are here with our GR86 content, and this is just a continuation on our dashcam update. I got this from Apple store here in Calgary, Alberta, to be specific, Chinook Mall. And one of this is just purchased through online. So this is the one that I purchased in Marketplace. So now we're gonna determine if I got lucky or not. Okay. So first things first, let's compare two boxes. It's a little bit yellowish. On the side, it's also difference between the text. The text size to be specific. On the back, there's not much big of a difference. See on the bottom here. So on the bottom, this is what you get in official Apple store. And meanwhile, here is what I get from the Marketplace. So let's go back to the business. Let's see what's inside. Now we're gonna open this official Apple product that we got from Chinook Mall. Again, it's 35 Canadian dollars. There's a reference there for you guys. And I paid $20 for this in Marketplace. So I think I got lucky too. They're about the same warranty cards. And about the same cord. So we got lucky, guys. Let's see here. Yep. We both have the writing here. 240 watt. Okay. So that concludes it, guys. We got lucky. We got an official Apple product from the Marketplace for $20. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog here. So as I promised you, I'm gonna create a separate video on how to run this long wire and tuck it in and hide it so it's not visible. So first things first, grab your wire and try to pry this weather protection or this rubber trim here. Try to pry it slowly. Let me just put this wire inside here first to be on the safe side. So let's start by tucking it in on the headliner or this trim here on the roof, but you get the idea. So let's tuck it in first. The next step will be trying to run this wire like that and hit it all the way down. Okay, simple. Let me see if I can do it. Just need to push it in real hard, real good. So now you need to play with the wire here. Try to put it inside here in the weather strip. So you see, I'm putting it inside in this plastic trim. So this is how I wire mine. If you look closely, that's the wire coming from that side, and it's not obstructing or getting caught in my glove box. We have this limited edition Grady steering wheel. I like this Grady horn button. I wish I can buy it separate. Wonder where it is now. Thank you very much.
How's it going?
Thank you very much. Press from Japan. Yes.
Hi. I have your credit card.
Is it okay if I show your face?
Yeah, it's alright. Hi.
Thank you very much for picking this up.
Yeah, no worries. Here's your
Oh, HKS, thank you. I'm so stoked about this little piece right here, guys. Even though it's been too cold outside, I chat with him for a bit. But thank you again.